Namaskar. Vigyan Ashram is a design innovation center of Savitribai Phule Pune University. This dome dryer is made by my student of Design Innovation Center. Many such innovations are made by my student as part of their projects. Vigyan Ashram is working with La Foundation from last 4 years. We provide internship and fellowship to engineering graduates. These students are given a real life problems and students are working on it to develop technological solutions. In the last few years, Vigyan Ashram has developed several such technologies which are useful for rural areas. We are working in the area of water, waste management, energy, agriculture, and food processing.
Most of the projects done by engineering graduates are working prototypes. For making these designs widely available to the community, we have taken up this project to make DIY designs of these technologies and make them available to open source design. We want to make designs of this technology available to local fabricators and technicians. It is decided to make standardized designs of these technologies. Law Foundation has supported Vigyan Ashram developing do-it-yourself design of appropriate technology developed in Vigyan Ashram.
In first phase, we have selected technologies which are already deployed and in use at Vigyan Ashram. For example, grey water recycling system, water filter, agricultural tools and equipment, food processing equipments, and various solar applications and appliances. We already have working prototype of these technologies. We have done design by using a SolidWorks software. All part drawings are as per the bill of material. We have followed all engineering standards for making a manuals. Assemblies was done as per the design. We are using Composer and Visualize interfaces. Once the design is done, we decided to test the design by fabricating the equipment. Recently, we have completed the design and fabrication of grey water recycling system. Now, this system is in process to installing at Mukhai School with the help of La Foundation. Similarly, we have installed one water filter unit for another school.
We will be completing 10 do-it-yourself designs in this year. We are planning to make available these designs on our website. We are thankful to La Foundation for their support for this project.